Welcome to What's the Deal Wednesday. I'm Stephanie Wilson, the Argyle Insider, and today I'm answering the question, what's the deal with local attorneys who can help with estate planning? You know, I know we're all running 90 miles an hour between our jobs and taking kids to school and to athletics, but it really is important to make sure you take the time to be sure that your financial affairs are in order, especially when it comes to estate planning. So today I am with Adam Burrows of Burrows Law Group, located in Highland Village. And Adam and his sweet family moved to Argyle a couple years ago, and his daughter is at Liberty Christian. So I've asked him to come today to help answer some questions. So Adam, thanks so much for being here.
Absolutely, thank you. Thank you for having me.
Can you give us the 411 on estate planning? And let's start with what can we do to make sure that our children are protected?
No, absolutely. I think it's vital that everybody, especially with children, have an estate plan. For one, it's protecting your kids from possibilities. Okay. And last time I checked, it's 100% that we're all going to pass away one day.
Yeah, that's
okay.
true.
And if you have children, depending on if they're minors, or let's just say they're not necessarily minors, but they believe that they're adults, they're in that range of 18 to 25, you may want to protect them from themselves. As I say to a lot of my clients, I don't necessarily want them to go off to the Corvette dealership and be able to use these things that they're not able or able to be basically handle it yet.
Right, that's true. Okay. And then what if they're younger?
Sure. If they're younger, we want to make sure that we establish something that has the ability to protect them and not invite the court system in. So if we have a gift that's being given to a minor, we want to be able to allow somebody to manage that for them, somebody with the ability to be able to manage it, maybe a surviving parent, but they will not be able to take as a minor until they turn the age of majority, which is 18. So we want to make sure that, for one, the gift is sound and that it stays there for them, and that it is able to go and supplement them for later things in life.
Right. Okay, so what can we do to avoid probate?
Sure. Probate is the process, and I call this with my clients the grand process of getting your name off of stuff.
Okay.
And so trusts, wills, these are documents that convey things that will give you the ability to, well, trust will help avoid probate if you establish it correctly. Wills very well may invite probate, but the whole idea is we want to get your name off of stuff. And a trust very well may be a document that will hold assets and protect it during your lifetime, and also will keep you from having to go to probate because all your things are put in the name of the trust.
Okay.
They're not in your name, so therefore you don't have to worry about probate.
Okay, so that sounds like that might be the better route to take, is putting it in
more
a
than
trust.
likely.
Okay, well good. Well, I really appreciate that information, and I'm sure there's a lot more to it. So if you have questions and you want to make an appointment with his office to sit down and talk about what you need to do to get your estate planned, and so you have that peace of mind, and you know your family will be taken care of. Here's the information on their office and how to contact them. And thanks so much for being here.
Absolutely,
and
thank you.
As always, if you have questions about the Argyle area or about local real estate, please feel free to give me a shout. I'd love to answer any questions that you have and help be a resource for you. That's your What's the Deal Wednesday. I'll see you next week.